Kobri YouTube channel one na ye to na in roja to no skang thero khakchama hamba ya phayo aketiniyo angna ja to no sahek talim chumo ke bose New Delhi chiyo phainai National Commission for Protection of Child right.rau ro Tripura wo phaye Tripura State Commission for Protection of Child right pai palkhiye borowo ke hakem banawlayo akhe borowo bro kem ke tinyo bulsing phainai khasnam paran chiyo bazamaro phayo akhe kaisko paran chiyo phono phaipiyo Ake asa para cipo na paye borowo bul payo. Ake borowo randi bamu ungi to nero pona paye bro ne problem sa payo. Ake noka borsan ciyo bosi cica ini tolaro. Bro ni joto suha problem. Tini kana khora ungi to nai ake school pora hap cuye maha ya ungi rangko pui cakring nai bai. Ake sonari imsarau. School hap cupo hap mai ake mpa trek bunyo brila tanga ma trek bunyo msaila tanga ke ungi bro ni imsa school pora ungpo Hamaya kyu to nai ni sarau brown ba panda pon no borowo complain ri mayo akhe man phakri ke thuya thangya ungi thana ron chaka pono borowo phayo complain ke mayo joto so brown ba panda wo nang molebo National Commission for Protection of Child Right brow jebai mon jora nang khunai hiye sanango boro khe chini kai skau paran chinyo ICDS tangnai rau bai akhe randi bai mo ini ro phono phaye borowo je gothe modi ke lekhari ro lei phija masi bokhe
Education Department से कोई है?
Okay, welcome to everyone. Actually, I am one of the inmates of the Blue Resettlement location at Kaskau, and I'm holding the post of monitoring group president. So, in this regard, regarding our resettlement, I would like to state our issues and all. Regarding the children, most of our peoples are very poor and they are marginalized economically, and in that sense, most of our people, our children, they do not have good education facility, and moreover, the government has ensured that the school will be set up, the school will be given, and everything will be given to facilitate all the children for education purposes. But it is not happening at all due to lack of the land, so the school cannot be set up right now. And even though the governments are trying their level best to set up the school, but till now it's not in action. And most of our children, since they are poor and they cannot go to English medium school in outside and they cannot afford the education expenses, and so just the children are lingering here and there and without education, and so it is very dark for their future. They have no future at all. Since India is a democratic country and all of us are given the right to education, but we are deprived of the education. So in this regard, I would like to voice myself to all the government authorities and to look into the matter and so that our people may be given the education, and the children may be grown up and children may become up with the as Indian citizen and good citizens of India, and let them have all the facility as the other citizens are having. Since we are living in our relief camp for 24 years, but now the agreement has signed, and so accordingly, in 12 locations in different part of Tripura, the Blue Resettlement has been set up. So most of the settlement is almost going to last 24 years, and we have been living as the refugees in our own country. And however, it is not wise to keep our citizens. So government has initiated and to resettle all the Blue families in Tripura. Accordingly, it is agreed by the state government as well as the central government, and so our agreement was being signed on 2020 January 1st. So from that onward, all the documentations has been done, and most of the bifurcated families are also given, and they are the part of the agreement as well. But however, there are many split families and many missing families due to mismatch of the name with the document. the Tripura government has rejected all those families, and right now the missed out families, we can count it around 488 families are still missed out, and they have no future, and they didn't get any facilities, and they did not get any an agreement package also. So they are facing a great problem in their life, and now what they have to do and what they should do in future also they don't know, and just they are waiting for their death itself. So likewise, since our Kaskau resettlement location is very congested, we have the families of around 774 there at Kaskau who are settled there, but the land is provided only 22 hectares. So in 22 hectares also all the land cannot be used for the construction of the houses due to the nature of the land, like slopey, hilly, lunga, and that's why it is very congested. And so like the community toilet, community hall, market set, Anganwadi building, all these things cannot be implemented properly.
मैं खस्तनपारा वेस्ट बंदरिमा न्यू लिब्रू रिसेटलमेंट लोकेशन में रहने वाला हूँ, और आप सभी को कुछ संक्षिप्त में बताना चाहूँगा कि हम लोग जब 1997 में मिजोरम से यहाँ त्रिपुरा में भाग के आया हूँ कि हम लोग को जब हम लोग मिजोरम में था तो मिजो लोग और हमारा ब्रू जनजाति लोग से टोटली भाषा अलग था, कल्चरल अलग था, संस्कृति रीति रिवाज सब कुछ परंपरा अलग अलग था। हम लोग तो हमारा सभी कल्चरल हमारा रीति रिवाज को हम लोग सेफगार्ड के लिए, सेफ्टी के लिए, हमें एक प्रोटेक्शन करने के लिए हमें हमारा राइट को मांगा था। तो हम लोग माइनॉरिटी होने के नाते मेजॉरिटी लोग ने हमारा डिमांड को पूरी नहीं किया। हमारा राइट जो हम लोग मांगा था उसको उन लोग ने रिजेक्ट करके हम लोगों को मिजोरम से भगा दिया गया। और जब हम लोग यहाँ पर त्रिपुरा में एक अपना देश में एक शरणार्थी का रूप में हम लोग जी रहा था पिछले 25 सालों से, यानी कि हम लोग एक नरक जिंदगी जी रहा था। तो जब हम लोग त्रिपुरा में शरणार्थी का रूप में हम लोग जी रहा था तो कल्याण आश्रम हमारे साथ था। तो कल्याण आश्रम लोग ने हमारा सारे समस्या को जान करके उन लोग ने हमारा जो भारत का होम मिनिस्टर श्री अमित शाह जी और प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया श्री नरेंद्र मोदी तक पहुंचाया, हमारा सारे समस्या को बताया। तो हमारा जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर और होम मिनिस्टर लोग ने त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट के साथ बातचीत करके हमारा त्रिपुरा में रिसेटलमेंट करने के लिए 16 जनवरी 2020 को मिजोरम गवर्नमेंट, त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और उसके बाद ब्रू जनजाति का एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यानी कि 5 NGO के साथ एग्रीमेंट साइन करके हम लोगों को यहाँ त्रिपुरा में रिसेटलमेंट करवाया।
chung Mizoram chiyo Tripura makai Tripura to joto ha sipai ne ha ikhari buka ta sida samchumo singke Tripura wa chung ma phaimon or thole Mizoram mo tong pu chini kai malai chung malai scam bai juda ong lai ye te chung pho chini tong cham ngong no tu ye chung pho chini rights no tu ye hiat ni man bak panda chung so the le mo scam pen ji ro bro aro wa jatik chu jatik tor mo dio bro chu no go the ya mon ta te wa bro bai chung phe lai ye ro khai ma ya Kero chung kaya ma tong kai mo betha khokchi mo ba ga re mo nim se ro ma te payo himba lai thane ma bosi sai chinai bosi kholwo Indian sarkar home minister Amit Shah bai ke chini Indian ni prime minister chini Mananiya Shri Narendra Modi ji brau sa mo bai ke chini ko ma ro no khna ye chini khokchi ma ga re ma ha du ko tiklai mo ro no khna ye chung no lam ka mo tin man bo phana ke brau sa ye chin sa ka ha bala ha ke abuduino sinyo chungko sarkar jono naiye je chungno package rimon je yokiye chung mai pimon bo pandawo chung India government chakawo khaksam ko sawo khaksa ha